Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Poya, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to crochet a filet mesh stitch. This stitch works best on mesh cardigans, tops, market bags or beach bags, any project that requires a mesh stitch. For the foundation chain, we will be needing a multiple of 2. I am working on a small swatch, so I will be chaining 20 for the purpose of this tutorial. Row 1, I'm going to skip that last chain, and into the next chain I'm going to work 1 single crochet. And I'm just going to repeat 1 single crochet into each and every stitch, going back down the row. For row 2, I'm going to turn my work, no chains. Now I'm going to work an alternate double crochet. I like to use this method when I want to achieve a straight edge for my work. You can use the traditional method of chaining 3 if you wish to, that is still okay. For this method, I'm going to first of all work a single crochet into that first stitch. And where I have these 2 bars right here, I'm going to insert my hook into that very first bar. And then I will yarn over and pull a loop through and work a single crochet on top of that stitch. And that is another way that you can make a double crochet if you want to achieve that nice straight edge for your project. Okay, now I'm going to chain 1, skip the next stitch, and into the next stitch I'm going to work 1 double crochet. And that would be my repeat pattern for this round. I will chain 1, skip the next stitch, and work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. I'm at the end of row 2, and this is how it looks like so far. Moving on to row 3, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And into the top of that first double crochet stitch, I'm going to work 1 single crochet. After that, I'm going to work 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space, followed by 1 single crochet into the top of the double crochet stitch. And this would be my repeat pattern for this round. I will work 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space, followed by 1 single crochet into the top of the double crochet stitch. Once I get to the end, I'm going to work 1 single crochet into the top of that last single crochet double. Okay, this is how my row 3 would look like. Now I'm going to move on to row 4, and row 4 is just a repeat pattern of row 2. So I'm going to turn my work, and into that very first stitch I'm going to work a single crochet double. To do that, I'm going to work a single crochet into that very first stitch, and then I'm going to insert my hook into the first bar of that same stitch and work one single crochet, and that would make up my first double crochet stitch. Now I'm going to chain 1 and skip the next stitch, and into the next stitch I'm going to work 1 double crochet, and I'm just going to repeat that same pattern all the way until I get to the end of the row. I'm at the end of row 4, and this is how my work looks like. I started with a row of single crochet stitch for my border, and I should also finish off with a row of single crochet stitches. Now I'm just going to show you an alternate method of working a row of single crochet stitches if you want to avoid bumps like this. So instead of the traditional method of chaining 1 and turning, we're just going to go right ahead and turn our work and work 1 single crochet into the top of that very first stitch. And then I'm going to continue working my single crochet stitches down the row, and that is 1 single crochet in the chain 1 space, followed by 1 single crochet into the top of the double crochet stitch. This stitch can be used for making mesh tops, cardigans, market bags, beach bags, etc. Just so you know, 90% of my viewers are not yet subscribed to my channel, so if you want to help see this channel grow, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have learned something new from this video, please feel free to leave a like and comment below. Okay, we're heading towards Christmas Eve, and Christmas Day is just around the corner, and I just wanted to take this little time I have to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Enjoy this festive season with your friends and family, and take extra care of yourself this remaining festive season. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial. Happy stitching and Merry Christmas!